Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to remote learning. This is grade 6 social studies. We are going to conduct our classes through Google Classroom. So student, welcome back to school. I hope you have spent a quality time at home. Now this is the time to start your session. So initially we have to start it through online classes. I hope you are ready for your new academic session. So this is how we are going to start. We will start our first lesson today. Before I start, I always ask you to keep your copies and your stationery items with you. Hope you have all the stationery items and your book as well. This is your geography book, and we are going to start our social studies through geography. Students, now you are in grade 6. In grade 6, you will study geography and history in separate books. So here is today's lesson from your geography book, and this is basically a little introduction about the geography. What is geography? We have studied the introduction to the geography in our grade 5. Now it is time for reinforce that topic and study it more in detail. So basically geography is the study of land, its spaces, its physical feature, and to just explore a relationship between the human being and all the things which are present in its environment of the earth. So geography is a subject that can relate with the people living, their climate, the relation of climate and the living of people, and how the people have to adopt different professions due to their different climatic conditions. And in the same way, they have to wear different dresses, and there is always a change in the lifestyle along with the physical features. So we will go one by one through these all discussions in detail. Now, what is geography? I told you. How do we study geography? Very simple. We study geography through maps, through atlas, and through globe. Map you all know, as you can also see in the picture behind, there is a map, but here we are not labeling any area or any feature, but anyhow this is a map. Similarly, some books are having the content of maps, and that collection of the maps is called atlas. As you all have this Oxford School Atlas for Pakistan. So one by one we go through its details through these pages, and we will study about the geography in detail through these books and these pages of your atlas. So this is showing you all the geographical features of our country and the neighboring countries as well, and we will study in detail how the geography is related with the life of people, with other contents, and how the economy of the human being might be affected through the geography and the physical features of the land. So physical environment basically is affected by the presence of weather and other climatic conditions, but anyhow the economy is always dependent on the weather, climate, the and similarly the professions which are just adopted by the people who are living over there. So we will study all these topics in detail, but for the introduction, I have a little introduction of geography with you today only. The details will be studied in the upcoming days. There is something to show also. This is what is called as globe. As you all see, this is the globe. This is also used to search the places in the world where the things are located, where the places are located, and where is the specific city located, in which condition we can find out the placement of any desert. and how we can find out the position of any place in the given map and atlas, and similarly on the globe. We can find oceans, we can find continents, we can find the smaller islands, as well as so many other physical features by using this globe as well. So this is basically a rounded structure, and it is just showing you the model of the earth. Okay, so this is basic introduction and how we will use the map and globe and atlas, and we will study this all through the upcoming lessons. So students, here was the little introduction, and this is your homework for today. This is about the introduction to geography. What is geography? This is the study that describes the physical spaces and explores the relationship of human being and their environment. Now our second question for today is define the map, globe and atlas. Map is a drawing that shows the earth's surface and its parts. It tells about the location of certain places within the earth. Second is globe. It is the scientific model of the earth. And lastly, what is atlas? It is a book which is containing map. So student, this was a little introduction of geography with you. Hope you will learn it and you will understand the topic. We will go into the detail in the upcoming lessons. For right now, it is time to say goodbye to you, as this was our first day and little introduction to the geography. Hope you will understand the topic and do your work timely and submit it timely in the Google Classroom. Thank you very much. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.